Compact fitness gear is trending, and the Kiyosa Walk Pad promises space-saving steps at home. But is it actually better than a treadmill or just a downsized gimmick? Let's break it down. So walking pads like Kiyosa, similar to products such as Underdesk Treadmill Walking Pad or K-Sports Walking Pad Folding Treadmill, are ultra-compact treadmills designed mainly for walking and light, low-impact movement. They're meant to fit under desks or small apartments and help you stay active during the day. Here's what makes walking pads appealing: compact and foldable, easy to store and put away, even in small rooms, quiet and low impact, great for casual steps while working or watching TV, usually cheaper and lighter than full treadmills, and energy efficient. But it's not a complete treadmill replacement. Walking pads typically have limited space and little to no incline, so serious cardio or running workouts aren't realistic. Belt and motor are generally weaker than full treadmills, which affects durability and stability at higher speeds. If your goal is to train for fitness goals like running, HIIT, or incline workouts, a full treadmill with stronger motor and incline options still wins. So is the Kiyosa walking pad better than a treadmill? It depends on your goal. If you want easy everyday steps and space-efficient movement, a walking pad is a solid choice. But for serious workouts, speed, incline, and heavy use, a treadmill still outperforms by a wide margin. Think of walking pads as casual activity boosters, not full fitness machines. Great for small spaces and daily steps, but not a replacement for treadmill level training if that is your goal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.